Be careful how you use it.
This is Brendan with Sons of Speed for another episode of The Lap, and I have got a treat for you today. We are in the Mercedes Benz GTR. This is an AMG product. It is fast as hell. 500 and how many horsepower?
577.
577. It's a killer car, man. So we're gonna see how it does on the racetrack. I gotta tell you though, the seating position and interior on this car are top of the line. So here we go. We're at Road America. This is the best place to test this car. 4.1 miles of beautiful racetrack. And here we go. Oh man, oh yeah. This thing oh my god, does that pull like a freight train. Woo! Alright. And the turn is sharp. This thing is insane. Oh. And the brakes, carbon ceramics all the way around. Huge brakes. Oh my god, this has worked well. Power is beautiful. 105. Slowing down for the chicane. Ooh, nice. No problem at all. Man, you barely touch the wheel. These paddles are really, really nice. And even though they're mounted to the wheel, where we'd rather have them usually on the column, you barely have to move your hands on the wheel, so it works. Because it was like a 5 degrees, I probably moved my hands so far. The turning is awesome. I've almost, you don't see too many cars like this. This track cable right out of the box. And that twin turbo V8. Have found nothing I don't like about this car. Going through the carousel nicely. Oh, the grip is really there. Grip is there. Look at that. Look at the brakes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Into this. This is the replacement for the King. It's called the motorcycle King. Shifts are crisp. This transmission is awesome. It's a dual clutch, 7-speed. Oh, and we're already done. Woo!
That was a quick 4 miles.
Wow. Howdy doody. That is insane. Oh my god.
I hope the audio picks up the sound of that motor and the exhaust. Oh.
That is intoxicating. Wow, Mercedes, you did a awesome job. Starting with this beautiful interior, and thank God you finally got rid of the keypad. And then this is a purpose-built track car. It's phenomenal. So the only thing I always say, I would love to have a head-up display, some shift lights, maybe in the wheel or on the head-up display, just to remind you when to shift.
The wheel would be so cool.
The wheels, yeah, in the wheel would be awesome. This is an Alcantara wheel. There's Alcantara and carbon fiber all over this inside. It's gorgeous. Easily one of the best, if not the best car we have yet to do an episode of The Lap on. This is what The Lap is all about. It's cars like this that if you have the means, go out and get one, because man, oh man, this thing is awesome. So until the next episode of The Lap, this has been Brendan with Sons of Speed, and we will catch you definitely at the track next time, and hopefully in one of these.
Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget to click that subscribe button right there. And check out the rest of our channel for more great videos.